I extend to you my love, a love that is greater than anything you can imagine. I came into this world to demonstrate my love for you, to instruct you on how to love one another, and to provide you with eternal life. I know that life can be difficult sometimes. There will be times when you are sad, times when you are scared, and times when you don't know what to do. But I am always with you. I will never leave you or forsake you. I ask you to love one another as I have loved you. This is the greatest commandment. When you love one another, you are showing the world the love of God. I also ask you to forgive one another. Forgiveness is not easy, but it is essential for living a happy and fulfilling life. When you forgive someone, you are setting yourself free from the burden of anger and resentment. I am giving you the power to do great things. Go out into the world and share my love with others. Make a difference in the world. Be the light that shines in the darkness. I believe in you. I know that you can do anything you set your mind to. So go out there and make the world a better place.